three lids it has. One is to see the prey, and one is to while it comes down, with what pace it comes, any idea? It even crosses very big planes speed also, it crosses. With that speed it attacks, and with that speed, with the original lid, it can't withstand the air, so it opens another lid, another two lids, where it can see the prey. It can see the prey with that force of. Have you ever been in a car with a wind forcing us? Will you be able to see with full speed when the car is going? Can you open the eyelids and see that? No, right? But that lid is there for a creature like eagle. If that much technology, each and every living entity, Prabhujis and Matajis, they have their own speciality. And try to understand that intelligence you are able to see, there should be an intelligence behind. But we are with our busy corporate lives, we are not able to see the beauty of the nature. Lot of things, if you observe each and every aspect, as I said, time goes on. So we need to understand why these many mosquitoes are there. Never they bump each other. ఎందుకు పంప్ చేసుకో? చూసావా నువ్వు? కృతికానేనా? దీక్షిత చూసావా? ఎప్పుడు నీ తల మీద దోమలు వెళ్ళడం చూసావా? ఎందుకు అవి ఎప్పుడు కొట్టుకోవా? ఒకళ్ళొకళ్ళు గుద్దుకోవా? గుద్దుకుంటాయా? లేవు, గుద్దుకోవు. నువ్వు నోటీస్ చేయాల. నువ్వు ఇలా పైకి చూడలేదుగా. చూసావా? నువ్వు గుద్దుకో. వాట్ ఇస్ ద టెక్నాలజీ బిహైండ్ దట్? Prabhuji, we need to understand that there is an intelligence behind this, and there is an intelligent behind that intelligence as well. Okay? So now, how many of you believe in Big Bang theory? Can anyone define Big Bang theory? Yeah. Okay, let me define, and let me know if you are able to understand what I am defining. In short, I am saying, a blast happened. Out of the blast, out of nothing, something created, and out of that something, it is spread across everywhere, and that everywhere is everything. Did you understand? తెలుగులో చెప్పడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తానమ్మా. శూన్యంలో నుంచి ఏదో పేలింది, ఆ పేలింది కాస్త ఎక్కడో స్ప్రెడ్ అయింది, ఆ స్ప్రెడ్ అయిందంతా మనమే, ఆ మనమే అక్కడక్కడ ఉన్నామంట. అది బిగ్ బ్యాంగ్ థియరీ. ఈ బిగ్ బ్యాంగ్ థియరీలో ఎగ్జాములు పేజీలు రాసి మార్కులు కూడా తెచ్చుకున్నాం మనం. Anyone here who believes in Big Bang, by the way? Huh? Big Bang only. I think now Deepshita, I think she will be getting in another 2 to 3 years. What is Big Bang theory? I hope everyone heard of this, right? Telugulo Big Bang Siddhantam antaru. Have you heard of Big Bang theory, Prabhu? Okay, is my definition right only? Inchuminchu ade kada? So do you believe that out of a blast, something like this can come? Recently దీపావళి జరిగింది. బాంబు పేలంగానే ఏమైనా వండర్ఫుల్, ఏమైనా కొత్త ఏమైనా వచ్చిందా మనకి? కాదు కదా, పేలి ముక్కలు అయిపోతుంది కదా. Big Bang theory is a atheistic philosophy which they wanted to bring in the society, and our so-called CBSE, ICSE syllabus, they are following it. Be logical, Prabhujis and Matajis. Let us try to understand logically. There are so many theories around it, where a explosion occurs, generally it goes, and the speed when the explosion occurs, the items would go away slowly. Will you agree with me? ఒక ఎక్స్ప్లోజన్ జరిగితే కన్నా, ఒక విస్ఫోటం జరిగితే కన్నా, ఆ విస్ఫోటం నుంచి చిందిన ఐటమ్స్ అన్నీ దూరంగా వెళ్తాయి. స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి వెళ్ళే స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, దాని తర్వాత స్లోగా స్పీడ్ తగ్గుతుంది. అవునా? రైటేనా? కానీ బిగ్ బ్యాంగ్ థియరీ ప్రకారం అంట అది ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్తూ ఉందంట, అండ్ ఎక్కడైనా ఎక్స్ప్లోజన్ అయితే కన్నా అది స్ట్రైట్గా వెళ్ళి పడిపోతుంది కదా. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే అవి వెళ్ళటం తిరిగి ఇలా వస్తున్నాయట. సో luckily I am fortunate that no one is speaking against or promoting Big Bang here, but this is the reality, Prabhuji and Mataji. Google and YouTube Big Bang conspiracy, you will laugh and you will feel embarrassed. ఇవే నన్ను చదివింది స్కూల్లో. You will laugh also, yes. You just type Big Bang conspiracy and see what exactly is happening. Luckily, there are no arguments happening. But it would have been a good discussion had there been arguments also. But Big Bang theory is, according to Big Bang theory, after a blast, beautiful scenarios are created as per Big Bang theory. But after blast, is it a logical question? Such a beautiful things get created? No. Okay, now, yeah. Many questions remain unanswered by Big Bang theory. Prabhuji and Mataji, Mumbai pelullu zariyaka. I mean, there are Mumbai blasts have happened, right? Couple of years back. And after that Mumbai blast happened, what has happened after that? Anyone can come with? Mumbai pelullu zariyaka tarvata em jarigindi? What did happen after the Mumbai blast happened? Kasab was arrested. Next, hanged subsequently. Yes. Anything else? For coming to that particular climax, lot of investigation has happened. Right? Investigation happened. Mumbai పేలుళ్ళకే ఇంత ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ జరిగినప్పుడు మన సృష్టి ఉనికిని తెలిపే బిగ్ బ్యాంగ్ సిద్ధాంతానికి ఎంత ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ జరగాలి? చాలా జరగాలి. రైట్. కానీ జరగల. That investigation has not happened. No one has investigated. No one has investigated what is this Big Bang theory, what is the proof, what is the witness and all. No one has investigated properly. And that's what it's not Prabhuji where I am giving my own knowledge. You only search in YouTube and Google saying Big Bang conspiracies. You will laugh, as I said. Now, anyway, forget about all the questions. Does your common sense accept it? Did we investigate Big Bang theory? I mean, Hiroshima, pelulu zariginayi. Nothing beautiful has come, Prabhuji. Even till this generation today, people will remember that act as very painful act. Generations have spoiled. Generations have spoiled by the Hiroshima blast. Blast zarigithe beautiful things, Rao, Prabhuji and Mataji. These are our education system. Luckily, I mean, people have to study, get marks somehow and pass. I'm not against it. But that's our education. And this sort of knowledge schools, they won't promote. Unnecessarily, they will put a stamp, it is a religion thing and all this thing they will discuss. That's why they will not include this knowledge in the schools. But this knowledge is necessary from the age of 5 itself. Have you heard of Bhakta Prahlada? Bhakta Prahlada? Yes. Prahlada at the age of 5, he has started. He was teaching his students. Other students in his class. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. 2000 witnesses. What was the outcome? Investigation was done. So government deputed a special inquiry committee. Who did the blast? What made him to do the blast? Guilty was caught and punished. Punishment was given by the authorities. But why are we not doing for the Big Bang theory? Why is that not investigation not done properly? Till today we don't know. Anyway, Lord Krishna declares in the Bhagavad Gita that he is the creator. Aham sarvasva prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvita. I am the source of all spiritual and material words. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly knows this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Krishna is saying that. Lord Shiva, Aradhananam sarvesham Aradhanam Vishnum param. Lord Shiva says. Christ says, I am the son of the Lord. He never said I am the God. Christ says that I am the son of the Lord. Muhammad says I am the messenger of the God. He never said he is the God. And Shiva says this, Aradhananam sarvesham Aradhanam Vishnum param. And Krishna says I am the God. Who has told like that? Which personality has told that like that? Ki I am the God. Anyway, I am not here to promote Krishna is ultimate. We will get into that stage at later stage. Lord Krishna. We will get into that stage. But with this kind of conviction, which demigod has said that I am the creator of everything? Spiritual world. I don't know if people believe it or not. Do you believe in spiritual world? Do you believe there is a Vaikuntha? Do you believe there is a Vaikuntha or spiritual world? Anyone who is there who don't believe? Come on. Please. Say something. No. No, Prabhu. Manaku Prabhuji. Yes. God support. మనకు తెలియనంత మాత్రాన అది ఉండదని పాయింట్ కాదు. మా ఊర్లో రంగయ్య అని వుడ్ కట్టర్ ఉన్నారనమాట. సో హీ సేస్ సీనయ్య, అండ్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ శ్రీనివాస్ మహేష్, సో దే కాల్ మీ ఫాండ్లీ as సీనయ్య. ఐ యూస్ టు టెల్, ఏంటి రంగన్నా నువ్వు ఇంత కష్టపడతావు, నువ్వు ఇంత ఇంత పని చేస్తావు, నీకు రోజుకు వచ్చే కూలీ 1000 రూపాయలేనా అంటే, మేము తెలుసా, మేము కార్పొరేట్ కంపెనీలో పనిచేస్తాము, కార్పొరేట్ కంపెనీలో మాకు ఫుల్ ఏసీ ఉంటుంది, మేము చైర్లో కూర్చొని చేస్తాము, అండ్ మాకు జీతాలు 1,00,000-2 లక్షల దాకా జీతాలు వస్తాయి అంటే, ఓసినాయా నువ్వు కామెడీ చేస్తున్నావు, ఏసీలో పెట్టి టేబుల్లో కూర్చొని నువ్వు పని చేస్తే నీకు 1,00,000-2 లక్షలు ఎవరు ఇస్తారు సీనయ్య, నువ్వు ఒక కామెడీ చేసిన నమ్మను పో అంటాడు. ఆయన నమ్మనంత మాత్రాన ఐటీ వరల్డ్ లేదని కాదు కదా. సో టుడే సిచ్యువేషన్ ఈస్ దట్. వైకుంఠ నేను చూడలేదు కాబట్టి నేను నమ్మను అనడానికి లేదు. దేర్ ఈజ్ స్క్రిప్చురల్ ప్రూఫ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ అండ్ గురు పరంపర ఈస్ సేయింగ్. Okay, anyway, we will not accept this sentimentally, but this is the sloka mentioned by Lord Krishna. So a scientific mind is ready to accept Big Bang theory, but not God as a creator. Is it right, Prabhu? Our scientific mind, from 50 to 60 or whatever age we have been studying, our scientific mind is ready to believe Big Bang theory and all these theories, but we are not ready to believe about God. Anyway, we will not sentimentally prove, we will go logically. Okay, so science also develops its theories observing the invisible laws of nature. In spirituality, such invisible laws are understood and realized by the wisdom provided by the creator. Like what is that? There are so many laws, implies a lawmaker. There are so many laws being discovered. These are scientific laws, you know. Law of vibration, law of relativity, law of cause and effect. Manam posh ga laws of cause and effect ani posh ga antam. It is nothing but laws of karma. Scientifically, the law of cause and effect is nothing but law of karma. But karma, you know, it's very Indian, a very primitive word, you know. No, let us not use this posh word, you know, law of cause and effect. Like that, Prabhuji and Mataji's, whatever the scientific laws are there, they have their roots from the nature or somewhere from the ultimate creator. We need to understand that. Okay? In the interest of time, we have a problem accepting as a God as a person. Yes, right? Once our boss is there in our floor, if a boss is there, always there will be some kind of we can't move freely. If a person, why God is God formless, or do God has a form? Prabhuji and Mataji, what are your thoughts? Formless. Okay, good. I will take that. Anything else? Anyone? Wonderful. I mean, honest answer given by Mataji. Your name, Mataji? Shruti Mataji. Shruti Mataji has told that God is formless. What about others? Is God formless?
God is formless, but He takes forms according to the requirement. Whenever there is increase in unrighteousness, increase in righteousness,
Yes,
He manifests Himself on earth.
Yes. Okay. The basic question is, God is formless or with form? Yes or no? Mataji said God is formless. I'll take that. Anything else?
The entire universe is
Prabhuji? Formless. Okay. Okay. Anything more? It's going to be interesting. Anything more? Prabhuji, మాట్లాడండి. అరే ఎందుకు వచ్చిన గొడవ? ఈయన ఫామ్ అంటే ఒక మాట అంటాడు, ఫామ్లెస్ అంటే ఒక మాట అంటాడు. టెల్ మీ ప్రభుజీ, గాడ్కి ఆకారం ఉందా, ఆకారం లేదా? ఉందా? ఏంటి ఆకారం ఉందా? వండర్ఫుల్ ఆన్సర్, యు ఆర్ రైట్. ఆకారం ఉంది. ఇంకా దేవుడికి ఆకారం ఉందా, ఆకారం లేదంటారా మాతాజీ? ఉంది. గుడ్. ఆకారం ఉందా లేదా? Form is there. I will not say whoever are telling form is there, tell to the people who are saying formless. It's not the agenda. But Prabhuji's and Mataji's, that's a problem, you know. It is something like on imagination. Okay, God is a creation of our imagination. Okay.
God is a multi-shape, means whichever the form, wherever you put it, it adapts and creates. It could be humans, it could be animals, it could be
I'm not getting that deep. Simple question is he having form or not? Is there form? Is there?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. With a lot of conviction, she said yes. God is having a form. But let us not get into there. But let me take an example here, wherein as I told, if you are working in a IT company, when your boss is there with you on the floor, will you be more vigilant or more cautious? Right? Right? That's a problem, no? Sometimes when a boss is there right in front of us, we will not be able to work comfortably. Will you accept?
Depends on what.
Huh?
Depends on us, right?
No, probably you might be in a situation where you might be boss for someone, and in general notion, what we say is, if a boss is right sitting in front of her, we are little uncomfortable. Generally, in the general notion, we are little uncomfortable. Okay, so that is the problem when we are having a form, we are having a form for a God. That's the problem. I mean, lot of restrictions. Oh, you do like this, you do like that. A lot of restrictions. There is a possibility. When there is a formless, it's a bindas, no. When there is a formless, higher energy means अपन कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अपन. Right? We can do anything. Formless is there. Okay. Broader meaning, we can do anything. So, God is unlimited. Person means limited. So cannot be a person. That's a good answer, wherein we can willfully do whatever we want. So does having a shape makes us limited? Yes, right? If a building is there, house is there, it is limited. But once it is blasted, does not having a shape makes us unlimited? Because even if you blast it, it will have a shape. Right? It will have a shape. Accepting God as a person would mean hearing to his orders. నువ్వు ఇలా చేయాలి, ఇది పద్ధతి, సత్వగుణంలో ఉండాలంటే నువ్వు ఇది చేయాలి, దీస్ ఆర్ ద పారామీటర్స్, అది చేయాలి అని లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ వుడ్ బి కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ గాడ్ ఇఫ్ యూ థింక్ అబౌట్ గాడ్ యాజ్ ఎ పర్సన్. నౌ hearing to his orders, now we have another new boss. That's what we talked about. More responsible feeling as a person is watching as against a power watching. No, when a person is watching you, for example, if a person is watching you, you will be more cautious. If I say government is watching you, you will be little relaxed, Will you agree with me? ఇప్పుడు ఒక మనిషి మిమ్మల్ని తరచూ చూస్తున్నాడు, మానిటర్ చేస్తున్నాడు అంటే మీరు చాలా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటుంది. అదే గవర్నమెంట్ మిమ్మల్ని మానిటర్ చేస్తుంది అంటే కొంచెం మీరు లిబరల్గా ఉంటారు. అవునంటారా కాదంటారా? అవును. సో ఫుల్ఫిల్లింగ్ హిస్ విషెస్ విచ్ వీ మే ఆర్ మే నాట్ లైక్. పర్సన్ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, ఆయన విషెస్, ఆయన మనల్ని ఎలా జీవితాన్ని గడపాలనుకుంటున్నారు అనే విషయం ఆయన నుంచి తెలిసింది అనుకోండి, మనకి ఇష్టం లేదు అది, కానీ అతను ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటాం కదా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పూజారి గారు ఉన్నారు, ఆయన ఉదయాన్నే లేచి కొన్ని రిచువల్స్ చేయటం, ఇవన్నీ ఆయన దేవుడికి ఏది ఇష్టమో అది చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. కానీ ఇలా చేస్తే మంచిది అని అందరూ రూల్ పెట్టామనుకోండి, వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా? ఏంటండి ఉదయాన్నే లేయటం ఏంటండి, బ్రహ్మముహూర్తం అంటారు, 4:30 అంటారు, 5 అంటారు, 5ంటికి లేయటం ఏంటండి బాబు, మన వల్ల కాదు. మనం రీజన్స్ ఎత్తుకుంటాం. మనం కార్పొరేట్ వరల్డ్లో మేము చాలా వెరీ బిజీ, నేను నైట్ షిఫ్ట్లో పనిచేస్తున్నానండి, ఉదయాన్నే లేయటం కుదరదు అనే రెస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ వస్తాయి. అవునంటారా కాదంటారా? రైట్? Prabhuji, am I talking illogical? Is it making sense? When you treat God as a person, these are the things it means. Fulfilling his wishes, which we may not like, or which we may or may not like. ఇందాక ప్రభుజీ అన్నారు, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద టాపిక్ హాస్ కమ్ అబౌట్ రజోగుణ అండ్ సత్వగుణ. అసలు సత్వగుణంలోకి వెళ్ళడానికి వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ? హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ థాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్? పీపుల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ సత్వగుణ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ద హై లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ కాన్షియస్నెస్ ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, రజోగుణం అంటే కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, తమోగుణం అంటే ఇంకా తక్కువ ఉన్నవాళ్ళు అని అందరికీ తెలుసు. మరి ఆ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్ ఇట్. బట్ వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ టేక్ టు రీచ్ అస్ టు ఎ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఆఫ్ సత్వగుణ? ఎవ్రీవన్ యాక్సెప్ట్స్ ఇట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ థింగ్, బట్ వై ఆర్ వి నాట్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇట్? This session is not to tell you follow and all. It's very difficult. I know it is very difficult. Our thing is not to aim to target, remove bad habits, but our aim is to ensure that some good habits are inculcated such that automatically other things goes. A jar is there. If you fill with new thing, then automatically other things will go. Okay? So this is about the problem what we have in accepting God as a person. But law implies a lawmaker. మనకు ఐపీసీ సెక్షన్లు వాట్ ఎవర్ ద లాస్ వీ హ్యావ్, అంబేద్కర్ హ్యాస్ ఫార్మ్. If a law is there, a lawmaker is there, right? There are a lot of, in constitution, who was the lawmaker for our constitution? Ambedkar, right? So if a law is there, a lawmaker should be there, right? So similarly, 1 minute, when whatever the signals and all, there some law has kept, so there should be a lawmaker. So similarly, even when a lot of examples I can quote, where we can prove that whatever the materialist, even into that case, even the laws which have been made by Ambedkar in our constitution, they are subjected to change. There are a lot of things which have changed in the constitution over the last 100 years. Will you agree with me, Prabhuji Samadaji? So in this material world, whatever the laws which are created by people are subjected to change. They are temporary in nature. After 50 years, you might be surprised, what? That law has changed. But these are subjected to change, believe that. But we need to understand that for each and every law present, there is a lawmaker. That we need to understand. Okay? Now, it is impossible to notice laws of nature. But laws of nature, I am using the words of only laws of nature, not laws of God. But these are part of God. Whatever the laws of nature are not are not subjected to change. That rule is fixed. Whatever the laws created by God, no one can change it. One law is laws of nature. A baby is born, he or she becomes a teenager, then he becomes a middle-aged, then he or she becomes a old age. And this is the life cycle of human versus plant. I mean, that is applicable in each and every living entity, not only to humans. These are the laws of nature. It has to go from this phase to that phase. Already we have seen the birth video in the first session. So these are the laws of nature. Most intelligent can recognize the laws of creator. For example, earlier we have seen the cases where scientists were against the God's creation. They are not able to see that. But there are even scientists who recognize the laws of the creator as well. They acknowledge there is something beyond our creation. There is a wonderful quotation by one of the scientists where he says, like, there is a wonderful quotation. He goes something like this. For we scientists, the God comes in the end, and for the religion, the gods come in the beginning. They accept God is there in the beginning itself. But scientists, they realize that it comes in the end. So these are some few personalities who have quoted in support of God. Science only goes so far, then comes God. Noah Kalam. So there are a lot of personalities. The more study science, the more we believe in God. Albert Einstein. Okay. Now, material nature and laws work under the direction of God. It is quoted in Bhagavad Gita 9.10. What is he saying? Maya Dyakshena Prakriti Suyate sa characharam hetunanena kaunteya jagat viparivartate. This material nature, this material world, which is one of my energies, just one of my energies. He says, once he gives this Virata Sarupa, he shows the Virata Sarupa to Arjuna. He says that whatever you are saying, whatever you are seeing, it is just spark of my glory. Spark of my glory. Aa spark nu chudangale Arjunadantari vaade unikadu. And he is saying, this material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction. O son of Kunti, producing all moving and non-moving beings. Under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. Similarly, the 3.27, Prakrite Kremanani Gunai Karmani Sarvasha Ahankara Vimudhatma Kartaham Iti Manyate. The bewildered spirit soul, that is us, under the influence of three modes of material nature, thinks himself to be the doer of activities which are in actuality carried out by nature. Okay? Our situation today, our parents and role models don't have answers to our questions relating to God. No one religion shown by media walk their talk. ఎవరైతే స్టేజ్ ఎక్కి ప్రగల్భాలు పలుకుతారో వాళ్ళు నిజంగా పాటిస్తున్నారా? ఎలా తెలుసా మనకి ఇవన్నీ? ఎలా తెలుసు ఇవన్నీ నీకు? తెలియదా? Wonderful answer. Okay, when walk their talk, when they come to stage, some people they get angry, very automatic power comes once they get onto the stage. Shabash na Raja, shabash. నీతులు చెప్తాం కానీ do we really believe? We are seeing so many WhatsApp messages, Prabhuji and Mataji. Don't you feel each and every message is such a wonderful message? And why are we not following it up? Because we are not seeing the people around us following them. కరోనా వస్తే మాస్క్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, అందరు పెట్టుకుంటున్నారు కాబట్టి మనం పెట్టుకుంటున్నాం. There are a lot of WhatsApp, we will not follow, but we will forward. That has become a culture now. One forward, goli maro sabhi ko dal do, forward kar do. Is it really required? Let us go step by step. What is required for us? What is the goal of life? Are we taking even a minute step towards our goal of life? Okay, these are anyway, our situation today is this. When we have some time, we don't know whom to approach for the right guidance. In my last week, when Prabhuji has asked, Prabhuji, Bhagavad Gita, from where it's better, good source to understand. Prabhuji, wherever you go, please try to understand from the people who are there in Parampara. I told, if you are confident, we will go through in detail Bhagavad Gita study after these SSR sessions. But first you attend these sessions, because 30 to 40% of the Bhagavad Gita is covered in these 12 SSR sessions. Okay, so reading scriptures by own self seems difficult and many times boring also. That's the reality, Prabhu. Let us accept it. There is no need to worry about it. Even if you tell openly, I will take that. Is it not? When you read scriptures by own self, at some moment you will get bored, right? Yes or no? Let us accept it in reality. Like that. Tired of doing rituals, but if I don't do, maybe I will offend God if He exists. That also dilemma. That's the problem mainly with the Indians. Let me give a benefit of doubt to God and be religious sometimes. If I accept God with a name or form, then I will be considered fanatic and narrow-minded. So let me just agree Him as a superpower beyond my understanding. Some power, some nature is there which is taking care. Actually, ISKCON, when it was formed by Srila Prabhupada, some of the devotees told Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, kindly don't name this society as International Society of Krishna Consciousness, rather name it as International Society of God Consciousness. Then you know what Srila Prabhupada mentioned? God has a name. God has a name. That's what he told. Do you feel if a company, if any corporate company is run, it's only one person running it? CEO is running it. That CEO has a name. CEO has a name. And whatever Brahma, these are positions actually. Okay, I know we are in short of time, but Brahma is a position, he is not a person. CM, Chief Minister, he is a position. And that position is occupied by KCR today. Like that, Brahma is a position. And it is occupied by, I think it was occupied, current Brahma is, I think it is Bali Maharaj, I believe. Bali Maharaj? Prithu Maharaj. I will confirm that. But next Brahma is going to be Anjaneya Swami. Brahma is a position, he is not a person. Try to understand that. So I will get into that in detail in the God subject. Okay, now Arjun. Now for every urge, what do you mean by urge, Prabhu? What is the meaning of urge? Urge ante korika. Manaku korikalu enni rakala korikalu unnai manaki? ఏంటది? ఓకే, హై లెవెల్లో నాకు కోరిక అంటే నాకు టీవీ కొంటే కూడా నాకు కోరికే. కానీ అర్జ్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ ఫర్ వీ నీడ్ టు అవర్ బాడీ. అర్జ్ కెన్ వి సే దాహం వేయటం మనకు అర్జే కదా. ఐ మీన్ థర్స్ట్ is urge, right? Urge. And for filling that urge, what is the natural fulfillment? Drink water, right? That's a good thing. Now, if you are feeling hunger, what is the natural fulfillment? So, if you are hungry, what will you do? We will eat. Yeah, we will eat good food, vegetarian food. Good food we will eat. And there is for each, like that, there are natural urges what we have, and for each and every urge we are having a natural fulfillment. Tell me one thing, Prabhuji and Mataji. Fish is there in the ocean. Does it not have a food under the ocean to eat? But when we galam veste galam దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది అది. When we throw some target, it will come to that target only and eat it. Does it not have food under the ocean? But for that, we need to understand that for each and every urge we are having a natural fulfillment, and for the same urge we are having a perverted fulfillments as well. Do you agree with me, Prabhuji? Am I talking logical? For each and every urge, there is a natural fulfillment, and also we are having a perverted fulfillment as well. Like that hunger or thirst, and even for touch also. We have a, we have a wonderful, marriage culture, marriage sampradaya is there. Where there is a natural fulfillment of getting two living beings together. That's a natural fulfillment is marriage, where two people can come together. And there are perverted fulfillments also. Prostitution or pornography these days. All these are perverted fulfillments, we need to understand. Okay, name one urge that you have which doesn't have a fulfillment in this world, Prabhu. Can you name one urge which doesn't have a fulfillment in this world? God is such not a merciless fellow who will create a urge without a fulfillment, Prabhu. Can you guess any urge which is?
Immortality.
Huh? Immortality. Okay. Immortality is a much broader term. Let me. What is it? Okay. You are not healthy right now. For that, the natural fulfillment is getting the treatment from a doctor, no? Right? Yeah. Mother.
What is the natural fulfillment for the desire to fly?
Desire to fly. Yeah. If you are having a desire to fly, sincerely pray, Mother. Actually, this thing I will cover in why bad things happen to good people. If you are, when we understand God, no, when you are having that urge to desire to fly, no, surely He will ensure that He is giving a life as a bird to you. But you will face other problems also in the material world. No one in this material world is going to have without problems, Mother. And that urge, whatever you said, no, you believe in afterlife, reincarnation, each and every soul. And it's not it's not a religious or a sentimental platform. There is a separate department in Oxford University, I believe. Ian Stevenson, go and Google Ian Stevenson, where it is proved that each and every living entity takes birth again, and he has proven. I will come to that, Mataji. There are 12 sessions, Mataji. It is only second session now. There are a lot to cover. And for things, why poor people, why Uganda people, so many hunger deaths are happening in Uganda. We'll come, Mataji. We'll come. There are a lot of things to discuss. Why bad things happen to good people, loss of karma. It will come. Okay. So, coming back to our question, Prabhuji told about immortality. But is it a common urge? I mean, how many of you are really praying for that urge? I want to become immortal. It's a very rare thing. No. Okay, but we need to understand that there is no urge in this world which doesn't have a natural fulfillment, like prayer. Even if a person who doesn't believe in God, I'm really sorry, Prabhujis and Matajis, another 10 to 15 minutes. Is it okay? Okay. Even a rowdy or a thief who doesn't believe in God, even an atheist who doesn't believe in God, rowdy who does a crime, once he gets caught, he also does a prayer. Do you agree? He also prays. It's only in difficult situations only we remember we pray. That's the harsh truth. Okay. So urge to take shelter of Supreme. Whoever that Supreme is, there is an urge to pray. Even for a non-believer also, we need to understand that. Now there has to be a natural fulfillment, and that fulfillment is none other than God. That is conceived, when a lot of people say it is conceived as Brahman, Paramatma, Bhagavan. Some worship Sun God, some worship different Panchamahabhutas, and some worship the God's wonderful form also. So the urge of prayer is also there. But the bottom line, what I wanted to say here, Prabhuji and Mataji, whatever the urge we have in this material world, there is a natural fulfillment. There is a natural fulfillment. But we humans have complicated things by creating a perverted fulfillments as well for each and every urge. And perverted fulfillment for this prayer is, we are apasampradayas, lot of babas, non-sampradaya babas coming. There lot of scams also we have seen in the past 2 decades. What is they are simply hitting the faith on the God, on the people. That is those are the perverted fulfillments for the urge of prayer. Okay. Now definition of God. Let's come. Science wants definition, right? And for our complicated minds, definition brings clarity. Now coming to, already we have decided. So what is it? Every creation has a creator, right? That's the point. Now, okay, one joke. A person was seeing a watermelon. Watermelon he has seen and told, what is this God? Yaar, that much big fruit. What is this? A small creeper he has given a fruit. What is it? Big fruit means big hangama hona chahiye na. Like big fruit with big tree hone se thoda maja aata hai, right? So he was thinking that way. That పుచ్చకాయ లాంటి పెద్ద పండుకి ఇంత చిన్న తీగ లాంటి ఇచ్చాడంట బాబు, ఏం వాడరా బాబు, ఏం దేవుడరా నాయన అని అన్నాడట. తర్వాత ఒక పెద్ద పామ్ ట్రీ చూశాడు. అంటే దాన్ని పామ్ ట్రీని ఈత చెట్టు చూశాడు. ఈత చెట్టు చూసి దాంట్లో చిన్న పళ్ళు పెట్టాడు. ఏమి వాడరా బాబు, ఇంత పెద్ద చెట్టు పెట్టి ఇంత చిన్న ఈత పండ్లు పెట్టాడు రా బాబు అని నవ్వాడట. దేవుడి మీద నవ్వాడట. నవ్వాక కొంచెం అలసటగా ఉందిరా బాబు అని ఆ పెద్ద చెట్టు కింద పడుకున్నాడట. పడుకోగానే ఆ చిన్న ఈత పండు వచ్చేసి తప్పని పడ్డది తల మీద. పడంగానే అప్పుడు జ్ఞానోదయం కలిగింది దానికి. బెల్స్ ర్యాంగ్. మా దేవా, ఆ వాటర్ మిలన్ లాంటిది నా మీద పడి ఉంటే నా తలకాయన ఉండేదా? హ్యాడ్ ద వాటర్ మిలన్ ఫాలన్ ఆన్ మై హెడ్, వుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ అలైవ్ టుడే. సో ప్రభుజీ, డోంట్ క్వశ్చన్ ద క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్. Anyway, we'll come to that. So people use their rationale to define a God. They get misguided declaring anyone as a God. Their definition is limited to their imagination. That's the point Prabhuji has mentioned. Each and every person has their own imagination of God. But we are not going with imagination. We are going with the scriptural proofs for defining a God. According to me is a new philosophy. నా దృష్టిలో నేను ఏమనుకుంటున్నానంటే, నా ప్రకారంగా ఏమనుకుంటున్నానంటే అధ్యక్ష, ఇన్ మై ఒపీనియన్ ఈయనతో పిస్తా గురువు పరపర నుంచి వచ్చినట్టు. ఓకే, టుడే గాడ్ ఈజ్ ద చీపెస్ట్ టాక్ అమంగ్ ద పీపుల్. చీపెస్ట్ టాక్ అంతే కదా. గాడ్ ఇప్పుడు మీ గురించి నా గురించి ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడుకుంటే పాటలు చంపకేసి పడతారు కదా. అదే గాడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఎవరు కొట్టరుగా. గాడ్ ఈజ్ సచ్ ఎ చీప్, గాడ్ ఈజ్ ఏ పర్వర్ట్. గాడ్ ఈజ్ ఎ పర్వర్ట్. ఈజ్ ప్లేయింగ్ విత్ గోపీస్ బ్యాడ్లీ అండ్ హీ స్టీల్స్ క్లాత్స్. వాట్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ డిస్కషన్. గాడ్ విల్ నాట్ డూ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ కెన్ టాక్, నో వన్ విల్ డూ. కృష్ణుడు పెద్ద గాడ్ కాదు, ఆ గాడ్ పెద్ద, ఈ గాడ్ పెద్ద. ఈజ్ నాట్ నథింగ్. ఈ జస్ట్ అపియర్డ్ 125 years బతికింది. 125 years అంతా చచ్చాడంట కదా. With the people who don't have knowledge talk like that. నిన్న సెషన్లో అడిగారు, 125 years వరకే కదండి కృష్ణుడు ఉన్నారని అడిగారు ప్రభుజీ. తెలియకనే. ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ హెల్తీ డిస్కషన్ వాట్ వీ మేడ్. ఓకే, యువర్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద బాబు, మనకు డిస్కషన్ వద్దు. నీ దేవుడు నా దేవుడు మనకు మధ్యలో మనస్పర్ధలు వద్దు. వై దే హెసిటేట్ టు డిస్కషన్ అబౌట్ గాడ్? దే విల్ నెవర్ కమ్ ప్రభుజీ. దే నెవర్ కమ్ టు డిస్కస్. ఇలాంటి కామెంట్ పాస్ చేయడానికి రెడీగా ఉంటారు అన్నమాట అందరం. వీ డోంట్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్ లిమిటింగ్ గాడ్ బై డిఫైనింగ్ గాడ్. మై రిలీజన్ హ్యాస్ ఎ గాడ్, సో డస్ యువర్ రిలీజన్. కంబైనింగ్ ఇస్ ఎ కాంప్రమైజ్. ఎనీవే, there are a lot of things. So again, definition of a God, he should be a first criteria, he should be a source of everything. God means the first criteria is he should be the source of everything. అన్నిటికీ మూలమై ఉండాలి. That is being said in the Brahma Samhita also. Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. For the gods, the first criteria to call someone as a god is he should be the source of everything. If you see the chain, for example, మీరు అనొచ్చు ఏమంటే మనకు గోవులు 108 రకాల గోవులు ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ గోమాతాస్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఎక్స్టింక్టెడ్. బట్ కెన్ సైంటిస్ట్ బిల్డ్ దట్ సీడ్? You have to go to Krishna to again to get that seed. Dinosaurs, do you believe dinosaurs were there? Is it real or not? Real? Jurassic Park chusava? Wonderful. So now dinosaurs are not there, right? But you can say it's a fictional work. But now it is not there. Again, to get a seed of dinosaurs, you need to go to Krishna. No one can give it. Dinosaurs might be there in some other Brahmandas, but there are 84 lakh species. 84 lakh species, and we humans, there are 4 lakh kinds of human species. We all are one type of humans. And among that 4 lakh species, do you know Hanuman? Is he a monkey? No, he's a monkey.
He's
Is he a monkey or not?
yes, but
He's a god. Monkey? No, he's not a monkey. He belongs to a species called Kimnara. Kim? Is it? Nara? Human. Is it human? Kimnara. He belongs to a Kimnara category. It is one of the human species name. Out of the 4 lakh human species, Kimnara is one of the human species name. Anyway, I don't want to get into that, but the criteria for being a god is, first criteria is he should be the source of everything. Next is supreme controller of everything. He should be the supreme controller of everything. Today, here the session is going on. Can Prime Minister Modi control my session today? Here?
no,
Can he control my session? Whatever I am doing, can he control?
no.
Why? He can't control, right? So he is not a supreme controller. But Krishna is the controller. Not Krishna. He is the second criteria of a god is he should be the supreme controller of everything. He should be the supreme controller of everything. Next, can you name anyone you know who is the supreme controller of everything? Can you know anyone who is the supreme controller of everything? US President? US President? Vishnu? Wonderful. Vishnu. Okay? He is president in control of everything. One person declared himself as Bhagwan. He could not control his own hair falling. Can he stop his hair fall? Okay, anyway, his order is always done, no one can order him. That's God. Okay, now since a shortage of time, I'm supreme. He should be the supreme proprietor of everything. Proprietor means he should be the owner of everything. Can you give a guarantee whatever the flat you are living in, after 20 to 30 years, it would be yours? No, right? Yeah. So he should be, the another criteria of God is, third criteria is supreme proprietor of everything. Supreme proprietor of everything. Okay. Anyway, in fact, we are not owners of our own body also itself. This thumb finger has been broken 5 years back. I am not owner of my own finger. Okay. So yeah. So now the definition of God, another thing is he should be the supreme enjoyer of everything. How many of you have been to Gokul Chat here? Gokul Chat in Koti? ఎవరైనా గోకుల్ చాట్కి వెళ్ళి చాట్ తిన్నారా? ఓకే. అక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఉదయాన్ని నుంచి సాయంత్రం వరకు అందరూ కష్టపడి పనిచేస్తూ చేస్తుంటారు. కానీ నైట్ పూట వాళ్ళ ఓనర్ వచ్చి ఒక పెద్ద బస్తాలో డబ్బులు కట్టలు తీసుకెళ్తాడు, తెలుసా? హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ ఇట్? ప్రాబబ్లీ యూ మైట్ హావ్. నువ్వు చూసావా? వావ్, వండర్ఫుల్. సో నైట్ చేసే పనంతా చేశాక చివరిన వచ్చేసి ఆ ఓనర్ వచ్చి డబ్బు మొత్తం తీసుకెళ్తాడు. He takes away he is the enjoyer. He is not doing anything. He is only simply collecting the money, and he is the person who is enjoying it. And he should be the supreme enjoyer of everything. Proof of enjoyer is, if he is an enjoyer, he should be a proprietor of thing. He should be an owner of that thing, right? Gokul Chat, he is the enjoyer, but for enjoying that, he should be owner, right? He should be a proprietor of that Gokul Chat. And if he is a proprietor of that Gokul Chat, then he should be a controller of that Gokul Chat. He can control, okay, this guy is not there, so we should place him, and I'm able to control how the operations are running in that Gokul Chat in the kitchen. People might not be seeing what is happening in the kitchen, but he's controlling and putting the process in place, and everything is going on. Next, if he is a controller shape, then he should be a creator also, right? He is the person who should have created that Gokul Chat. So if he is the creator, then he should be the cause of all causes. He should be the cause of all the causes. So that is the definition of a god. Anyone claiming to be a god has to fulfill this criteria without exception. If he fulfills, he is a god, and or else he is the opposite of god, that is D-O-G, dog. Dog ఎలా అరుస్తుంది? Yes. So simple tips to eliminate fake avatars and Bhagavan's prevalent today. Ask them if they can do it. ఎవరైనా భగవాను దేవుడు అని అంటే గిన మీరు పెట్టాల్సిన టెస్ట్లు ఏంటి? What kind of tests you need to put for a person who says himself as a Bhagavan? These are the tests. Difficult tasks I'm saying. Difficult task ఏంటి? Can he lift Govardhan Parvat? Can you? Govardhan Parvat.
Yeah, I can't lift, but God can.
God can. But if someone is claiming that he can lift Govardhan, can stop sun rising from setting and show the universe in his mouth, okay. వాట్ ఏదో మన రీసెంట్గా ఏదో అతడు మూవీ అనుకుంటా, అతడు మూవీలో ఇది ఏదో సమ్ సీన్ వాజ్ దేర్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్, అరే జింకనే ఏటాడాలంటే ఎలా ఉండాలి, అప్పుడు అలాంటి సింహాన్ని ఏటాడాలంటే మనం ఎంత పేషెన్స్గా ఉండాలి, మనం ఎంత సైలెంట్గా ఉంటే అది అంత వైలెంట్గా ఉంటుంది అని అంటాడు. అంత చాలా ప్లానింగ్ చేసుకుని వెళ్తాడు. చేశాక తీరా ఫైట్ చేయడానికి వెళ్ళాక తూచ్ నా వల్ల కాదు, తూచ్ నేను మా ఇంట వంట లేదంటే అమ్మాయిని టచ్ చేయటం అని ఒక డైలాగ్ పడతాడు. అలాగా పోనీ సరే తూచ్ ఇలాంటి డిఫికల్ట్ టాస్క్ నాకు చెప్పొద్దండి, పోనీ నాకు కొన్ని మోడరేట్ టాస్క్ చెప్పండి అని అడగాలి. ఎవరైనా భగవాన్ దేవుడు అని అంటే కన్నా నేను దేవుణ్ణి నేను భగవాన్ అంటే ఇవి అడగాలి. వాట్ ఆర్ ద మోడరేట్ టెస్ట్ యూ కెన్ పర్ఫార్మ్ దిస్, రీడ్ అవుట్ ఆల్ ద శ్లోకాస్, 18,000 శ్లోకాస్ ఇన్ శ్రీమద్ భాగవతం వితౌట్ గ్యాప్. కెన్ హీ డూ ఇట్? 80,000 శ్లోకాస్ అనర్గళంగా చెప్పగలిగే వాళ్ళు ఎవరంటే నేను దేవుడిని ఒప్పుకుంటా. ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా? నా కంట్రోల్ 10 కోతులను తీసుకొచ్చేసి సైలెంట్ కూర్చోబెట్టగలరా? ఐ విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ హీజ్ అ గాడ్. చేయలేరు. ఓకే నా ఓకే ఇది మోడరేట్ టాస్క్లు నా వల్ల కాదండి, నాకు కొంచెం ఈజీ టాస్క్లు ఇవ్వండి. మీరు ఈజీ టాస్క్లు ఇస్తే నేను నమ్ముతాను మీరు గాడ్ అని అన్నారనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఈజీ టాస్క్లు ఏంటి ఇవి? ఈట్ ఫుడ్ ఆఫర్డ్ బై 100 villages, marry one wife and keep her happy. No offense intended to Prabhuji and Mataji's. But what are the marriage, if you are able to keep your wife happy 100%, I will accept him as a god. Is there anyone? Please. నీకు తెలుసా? ఓకే కాళియా నాగుపాము మీద డ్యాన్స్ చేయడం కాదు కానీ ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు సోపుతో బాత్రూంలో వేస్తా, ఆ సోప్ మీద డ్యాన్స్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. అంతెందుకు ప్రభు, ఫైనల్గా ఈజియెస్ట్ టాస్క్ 10 లీటర్ల వాటర్ తాగి 2 గంటలు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళకుండా రూమ్లో కట్టేయకండి, టాయిలెట్కి వెళ్ళకుండా. కెన్ యూ బీ దేర్? ఐ విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ హిమ్ యాజ్ అ గాడ్. అందుకనే ప్రభుజీస్ భగవాన్ దేవుడు అని ఎవరైతే అంటారో దీస్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ హౌ వీ నీడ్ టు ప్రూవ్. ఏంటి డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్ ఏంటి? నువ్వు ఆర్ యూ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్? ఆర్ యూ ప్రొపరేటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్? ఆర్ యూ సుప్రీం కంట్రోలర్? ఆర్ యూ సుప్రీం ఎంజాయర్? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద సమ్ టాస్క్ వేర్ యూ కెన్ ప్రూవ్ దట్ యు ఆర్ you are a god or not. Anyway, we have discussed this, and this is the last slide. And ఇవన్నిటి వాటికి we are having a scriptural proofs. Next session is that only. Do we need to believe in scriptures? And we are having a criteria for calling one thing as a scripture. ఈరోజు నేనేమిటి ఒక బుక్ రాసి స్క్రిప్చర్ అంట, ఫాలో అంటాను. కెన్ ఇట్ బి కాల్డ్ as scripture? There is a definition, there is a criteria as well for something to be called as a scripture. ప్రతిదానికి మనం క్రైటీరియాలు చూసాం. ఈడేంటర్ బాబు మాట్లాడితే క్రైటీరియాలు అనుకుంటున్నారేమో, కానీ ఇవన్నీ దీస్ ఆర్ ద లాజికల్ స్టెప్స్ హౌ వీ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ బియాండ్ అవర్ థింకింగ్, ప్రభుజీస్ అండ్ మాతాజీస్. సో నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ డూ వీ నీడ్ టు బిలీవ్ ఇన్ స్క్రిప్చర్స్, అండ్ ఇన్ దట్ యూ విల్ బి సర్ప్రైజ్డ్ హౌ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ సేవ్డ్ టిల్ డేట్ విత్ అస్, అండ్ వీఆర్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ పేయింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. అంతే కదా, ఫ్రీగా వస్తే ఎవరు నమ్మరు కదా. ఐ వాజ్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ సివిల్ సర్వీస్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. Only it's done, Prabhuji. Only so I was preparing for civil service examinations, and I have chosen mathematics as an option, and I was in Gandhinagar RC Reddy study circle, and that mathematics lecturer, we were about a batch of some 25 to 30 students, and he was charging hefty amount fees he used to ask. దెన్ వీ స్టూడెంట్స్ వీ యూస్ టు డిస్కస్, ఏంట్రా బాబు ఇది అన్యాయం రా బాబు, ఏంది మనం పావర్టీ లైన్ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఎలా పేమెంట్ చేస్తారు, ఎలా వాళ్ళకి చదువుకు అర్హత లేదా, లాట్ ఆఫ్ డిస్కషన్ హ్యాపెండ్. అండ్ ఐ నో యాజ్ ప్రభుజీ వాజ్ మెన్షనింగ్, ఐ వాజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇన్ రజోగుణ, ప్యాషనేట్ పర్సన్, యూనో, మన హీరో అనమాట. అలాంటి అన్యాయం జరిగితే వెళ్ళి ధిక్కరిస్తాం మనం. So I went and everyone was hesitating to ask. I went and that Sar's name is Satyanarayana. I don't know if someone knows. Osmania University lecturer Satyanarayana. He is a mathematics lecturer. And I asked him, సార్ ఏంటి సార్ ఈ అన్యాయం, మీరేంటి ఇంత హెవీ ఫీజు ఛార్జ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఇది మిగతా వేరే చిన్న విత్ ఎ స్మాల్ పవర్టీ లైన్ దే ఆర్ కమింగ్, హౌ దే వుడ్ బి ఏబుల్ టు పే దట్ ఫీజ్? హీ హాస్ గివెన్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ ఆన్సర్. కెన్ యూ గెస్ ఎనీవన్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్ హీ మెన్షన్? He given an answer where he said, Mahesh, నేను నిజంగా ఈ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లెక్చర్స్ అనేవి నాకు మీరు ఇచ్చే డబ్బుతో బతికేంత స్థాయిలో లేను నేను. ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ ఎనఫ్ శాలరీ అండ్ ఐ కెన్ లివ్ మై లైఫ్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూస్. బట్ if I am giving this mathematics knowledge for free, what value will you have for mathematics? Is it not a logical question, Prabhuji and Mataji? That was a wonderful statement made by my mathematics sir. If I am not charging you, what value will you have for that education? That's why I charge. I was really awestruck. But when we are convinced that these spiritual questions are very much relevant to us, and these are the very important questions for any human being, irrespective of the religion, and when we are first we need to convince that these are important questions to be known, any human entity, and what is the goal of our human life. And if you are not showing interest, and there are people like Murthy ji, Sunil Prabhu, and everyone are making, Sanjay Prabhu, everyone are making effort to bring this knowledge to the people, how much value we are giving. So that's it, Prabhu. We need to understand the importance of spiritual knowledge, and these are very much relevant to everyone. Any question is there? I mean, as I said, Prabhuji, weekdays I have been insisting. Some of the Prabhujis and Matajis have been pinging me one-to-one, asking the questions, and I have been responding. And even if I missed it, please, Prabhujis, I would be able to answer all your questions without any iota of doubt, probably on the same day or the next day, because I have some official commitments. I work as a delivery manager in TCS, so generally in the weekdays I have a busy schedule. But I promise within a day or two, I will surely respond to your questions, either by calling you or by messaging you. But we need to inquire, Prabhu. We need to inquire. Atato Brahma Jignasa. If any doubt is there, you need to ask people who are under Sampradaya. Okay? I don't want to take much time, and these are the things we have. This is the last one. So next week we will. And Prabhujis and Matajis, we need to understand, kindly come to the sessions on time, because for seeking some spiritual knowledge, we should have some minimum discipline, to understand. There is a discipline where suddenly if you come in the middle, you will not understand the context what we have spoken at the start. So I request everyone to be on time, Prabhuji. And 9:45 AM sharp, we will have a small kirtan to bring consciousness to some level. And at 10 o'clock sharp, we will be starting the session. So I request everyone to be present on time, so that it is not inconvenience to the temple authorities or even the arrangement of prasadam and all. So kindly come on time. Yeah. So yeah, now we'll stop this with the Narsimharthi. Yeah, let me stop the recording first.